still sounds good to me. Like we were 17.
This is the EcoQube, your window to nature. Get the beauty of an aquarium without the maintenance. The no-hassle design is stress-free, compact, and easy to use. Just fill it with water, plug it in, and enjoy. Never change the filters, ever. The EcoQube's unique aquaponics filter use plants to filter the water. Fish create waste that fertilize the plant, and as the plant grows larger, the aquarium gets even cleaner. It's the same way nature cleans our rivers, lakes, and oceans. This is the best low-maintenance ecosystem ever, and it's affordable. Other ecosystems can cost hundreds of dollars to set up and maintain. The EcoQubeC C has everything you need, and it's easy to set up. Get yours today.
Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you've seen, click on the subscribe button for more videos. If you're interested in the product, then click on the link located in the description area for more details. Thanks again for watching. I hope I see you next time.